Alright, welcome back. Video 5. Hope you enjoyed the paddle boarding out at Kingman Wash. But today we are hiking. We're going to Petroglyph Canyon in Henderson, Nevada. It's about 10 miles from the Green Valley Station Casino. Kind of using that as a reference point for everything here. And it takes about 20 minutes from there to get to, not too far at all. It is a little windy, sorry if there gets to be some of the wind noise. But if you come after 4:30, the gate is closed. So you kinda gotta park on the street. That's what we did. It turned out, I think, okay, we'll see going forward. But it's a 4.4 mile out and back kind of loop according to all trails. It might be closer to 5 or 6 miles today because we parked on the street and walking on this path too. It took about 15 minutes to get from the parking lot to the trailhead. We're here, they got some porta potties. You look hard enough, you can see the strip out there. But yeah, so this is it, this is the trailhead. There's some parking, there's 2 trails here. There's the Sloan Trail, and the Petroglyph Trail is over here to the right. But yeah, you might be like, Chris, why are you guys out here hiking at 4:30 after it's been shut down? And the answer's pretty simple. My dad and my brother and me are all working. So we're out here late in the day. Let's get hiking. Alright, we made it to the top. My Garmin clocked about 1.66 miles. I don't know how much further the loop is. I also did miss maybe a quarter mile at the beginning. Clocked it a little late. But I did do some backtracking and stuff anyways, but it took us about 50 minutes, maybe 45, to get up here from the trailhead. Beautiful views behind me. Back where we came, you can see all the stuff we came through. So it starts off with kind of this walk up along a little ridge, and then you go down into a little wash basin. You walk along that for a while, and then you get to the loop part where it splits, and there's an option left or right. We went right, went up a little trail, took us up into the shade in this little gulch that is super pretty. We kind of got to the top here, some great views. I haven't quite seen any petroglyphs yet, but that might be because our passive perception is a little too low to spot any. But we'll keep an eye out. There's definitely some views though. Fortunately, I did see a sign that said no dogs. Those of you that are dog hikers, just so you're aware. So we kind of come down from that little apex up there and into this little wash towards the loop, and it's nice. If you want to just see petroglyphs, then take a left at that fork, kind of get where we're at here. To be honest, we still haven't seen very many. Saw one, kind of just barely, but I'm sure there's more. But I can confirm so far that it's not a sham. There is at least a few petroglyphs. See if we can find more for you. There's a bird we got. I don't know if you can hear him on the camera, but he's just chattering away. Oh. He's coming in. So yeah, you just kind of gotta wander around and find some. It's kind of like an Easter egg hunt almost. Those are some of the low-hanging fruit that we found. You just gotta look in little nooks, crannies, go a little bit off the trail. You can kind of see where other people have walked. My dad's up there looking for some. Yeah, it's kind of fun. You know, if you know anything about petroglyphs or ancient civilizations, comment down below. Let's hear what you got to offer. You know, it's pretty interesting, I think, to think about all of it from a historical standpoint. The natives that have been here for thousands of years. This is kind of their written history in a way. Get a little lower in the canyon, there's a ton more. You can see a bunch, but you just keep going down. And so yeah, pretty cool. What are you doing down there?
Heading home.
So yeah, we kept going down the wash, and eventually it led to this. So if you go left, you gotta go up this. But if you go right, you gotta find a way down. So yeah, we'll find a way down. Alright, we're back down in the parking lot. Overall, it took us about 2 hours, 15 minutes. That is including all of our stops and lollygagging and taking pictures and whatnot. Because once we got to the canyon, we kind of took some time. But yeah, it was pretty good. The Garmin clocked 4.3 miles, taking into account me forgetting to hit the clock. Probably about 4.4. I would trust all trails over me forgetting to, you know, clock the watch. It was a fun trail, I would definitely recommend. And if you get here in the evening, if you come around when we did, there's beautiful sunsets out here. I'll maybe include some pictures. Hopefully this wind is not too brutal. If you're out in Henderson or Las Vegas, you want to come check out some petroglyphs, do it. All trails said it was moderate. I would agree with that. You know, there's a little bit of strenuous uphill for a little bit. It's not too bad though. If you're an experienced hiker, you'll be golden. But if you just go up to for the petroglyphs and you go up left, there's a little bit of scrambling you gotta do. But other than that, like, you're good. All right, made it back then to the road. Garmin now is clocking just about 5. If you do some quick math, that means that little road is about 2/3 of a mile. Calculate that into your whatever you will. That was a fun hike. Thanks for joining us today. Hope you enjoyed all the petroglyphs. Come check it out and let me know what you think. Anyways, have a great day. Go create the world.